Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News channel. On February 11, the cargo ship Progress MS-22 docked automatically to the Russian service module of the International Space Station. The press service of Roskosmos reported. Progress MS-22 was launched on February 9 from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. It went to the station on a 2-day scheme, during which it made 34 turns around the Earth. According to Roskosmos, the supply ship will stay in orbit for about 6.5 months. Progress MS-22 delivered to ISS more than 2,500 kilograms of cargo, including 700 kilograms of fuel for refueling, 400 liters of drinking water, 40 kilograms of nitrogen, and more than 1,300 kilograms of various equipment and materials for the crew of the 68th long-duration expedition. Although the Progress MS-22 supply ship carried stacks of Russian scientific experiments on the station, among them medical experiments to study the effects of microgravity and space radiation on human body, biological experiments to study the effect of space environment on the properties of microorganisms, interesting experiment Photobioreactor in which green algae are grown at the station, which in the future may serve as food for astronauts and a source of oxygen, experiments on the effect of microgravity on the properties of materials, and others. Also on February 11 it became known about the depressurization of the cargo ship Progress MS-21, which was to complete its flight on February 18 as part of the ISS. According to the state corporation Roskosmos, the hatch is now closed. Progress MS-21 is isolated from the total volume of the ISS. The reasons for its depressurization are being investigated. This incident did not affect the docking of cargo spacecraft Progress MS-22 to the ISS and the further program of manned flight, but this is the second such situation over the past 2 months. Recall that on December 15 there was a depressurization of the spacecraft Soyuz MS-22, and it was decided to send Soyuz MS-23 to the ISS on February 20 in unmanned mode. At present, Soyuz MS-23 is already fueled and preparing for launch. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.